Hello, trading is closed on May 31st, 2017. I was looking for a bit of a larger range today, which we got. Can't say it's as big as I was hoping to see, but at least it was larger. I thought we'd have an early low. I said if we undercut the low, we could keep dropping, but if it held, then beginning around here, 240 Eastern time, we could have a rally into the close. The idea was right, the time was maybe half an hour off. As far as the daily pattern's concerned, tomorrow I'm looking for one with a change in trend high early and a change in trend low around lunchtime. Let's go over what the MEJT system had to say today. When the market rallied from here, the system said it was a false move. That's what the F means. It said after this time, this price would print. It did, and there was support. When we were dropping here, it said it was a false move, that after this time, this price would hit, and the white dot shows it did. These lines here are MEJT resistance levels from prior day's trade. I don't have any unsatisfied targets to carry over for tomorrow's trade, so I'll have to rely on other things. This is not the clearest pattern to me. The best I can come up with is we had an impulsive break through lower lows, an all-day rally attempt, which successfully traded over these highs, but couldn't challenge this low, and couldn't close over this important low, which is the low between the all-time high and the prior high. So all we have so far is a challenge of the prior consolidation with no signs of yet of a successful challenge, which would imply going over some of these highs. That doesn't mean we have to drop immediately, because I have significant support at this low. Let me show you some of it. Here's a stilt. Here's a stilt. Here's the diamond. Take the height of the diamond. 61.8% gives you the target of the move. This business here, considered together, is the first challenge of the origin of the left stilt. Typically, the first challenge holds. For that reason, I think this price will hold during tomorrow's trade. Now, this is resistance here too. If that's a stilt and that's a stilt, you can take, if it'll let me take it, you can take the diamond right here, half is enough, and get a target right over here. So there should be some resistance at this price. You also it's not what I want to do. You also can take this leg and that leg, and they're pretty much equal, so this could be an ABC. So I have support here and resistance here. Doesn't make it easy. I don't think we're going to close change by very much tomorrow. All that is invalidated if we gap and promptly take out this high or this low. But when I get conflicting signals like this, and I don't think we're ready to break this low, I think that's the most likely outcome. Friday could be a totally different story, because if we can't invalidate this break through these lows, or we have some other pattern, Friday has what it takes to be a stuck down day. But for tomorrow, I'm just going to say if we can hold these early, I think we're going to close very little changed, but I have less confidence in this call than in some of the other calls I've made. And that's today's call.